Alright guys, what's going on? JRC Studios in with a fresh unboxing of the new Mini Kraton 3S. Let's check it out. So it says 50 miles per hour right out the box. That will be with the power key that comes with it. As you see, it comes with a 2000 milliamp hour battery. You can see all the stuff on the top here. I'll let you kind of take a second and read. No need for me to go through all of that. You'll see it when you get yours. So, and as mentioned, it does have the adrenaline mode and then the chaos mode. Chaos mode is when you put in that power key that essentially goes from a 2S to a 3S. So it kind of has it limited and then it makes it jump up with the 3S. Obviously, Arrma tough. So let's quit messing around and let's get this sucker unboxed. All right guys, everything's out the box here. As you can see, that beautiful body still has that plastic on it. You come with your standard Spectrum controller. As you can see, it's got, and it does have a nice color coded to tell, easy to tell which one goes to which. You get your one power key along with a little card to keep up with it. In the bag, you get, of course, your batteries. You get your nice little tool, very easy to use. You have your standard charger, or actually, excuse me, this is the new S22 IC2 charger. Made for this battery, from what I was told. Hold that with a grain of salt. And you get your little standard T-wrench and an extra power key. So let's take this plastic off this body here. Get a better look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Love that color. All right, so to remove the body, you push the button back here and kind of do this. Let's see, push, pull out, and then this little key right here will allow it to come off and then pop it back on. So push up and pull. Right there is your battery. Again, as mentioned, 2000 milliamp hour 3S battery. Essentially in adrenaline mode, it's in the 2S. With the chaos mode with the power key, makes it 3S. Obviously the motor and ESC both come with fans already installed, as Arrma does. Have a nice, pretty sturdy wing on the back. Nice bumpers, nice Arrma bumper there. Those beautiful shocks, so I can get a good view there. And there you go, out the box, ready to go. So let's get it charged up. We'll go out, put GPS on it, see what it'll run, and let's see what it'll do. Got the little Mini Kraton out. We're in standard adrenaline 2S mode. We are at 100%. Rock and roll, ready to go. Got the GPS going. So let's rip it. So definitely not bad. Easy, fun. Nothing crazy. So we'll run it down here, down the path. All right. Let's see what we can get it to do. All right, bring it back. Looks like the body's trying to come off a little. Looks like I didn't have it on very good. There we go. All right, let's go see what the GPS said. Oh, there we go. These little rocks, it might not like them. Let's see. The end. Read 28. All right, I'm gonna go put the chaos or the power chip in, and we'll let it run and see what it does. All right, guys, I want to show you a little power key. It goes right here in the ESC. It just slots right in. We plug it back up. We'll get it back on. Yep, 1, 2, 3. All right, we got everything on. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna start over and see how much more peppier it is. Make sure again we are at 100%. Oh yeah, that's definitely much quicker. Oh, there's our first. Oh, we got it right. Look at there. That's all right. All right, let's go down the path like we always do here. A little test straightaway. And we'll go down here. And we'll give it a run. Oh, actually we're going to give it a crash. All right, let's go try that again. Looks like the steering trim's off a little. So let's see if we can adjust that a little bit. All right, guys, we got it down in path. Had to do a little steering adjustment I hadn't done. So let's give it a run. Much better. All right, guys, pretty much just got done running the battery out. I probably got maybe 10 to 15 minutes of runtime with this, but I did get 42 in chaos mode on this softer dirt. Definitely harder to keep it straight with this. This isn't, I can tell that since it's not as wide as the XRT, it's more like the Mini Max where it's a little harder to keep it straight. But all in all, super fun out in the yard. 2S mode is also really fun. Something, especially you can bring it really down for the younger kids. You know, is it up price point right for you versus XRT with it being on sale? Right now, currently as of recording this video, I'll leave that up to you. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Thanks again. Have a good day.